Introducing the Lithium Power Smart BMS, a revolutionary solution in battery management designed to power the future of energy. Having features such as AIS 156 approved, built to meet the highest safety standards, the Lithium Power Smart BMS is AIS 156 approved, ensuring superior performance and reliability. Communication protocols seamlessly integrate with your devices through advanced communication protocols including CAN, UART, RS485 and Bluetooth. EMI and EMC tested for electromagnetic interface EMI and electromagnetic compatibility EMC. The Lithium Power Smart BMS ensure uninterrupted performance even in demanding environments. ICAT certified, guaranteeing that our BMS adheres to the strict standard of quality and excellence. Programmable features customize the way you manage your battery systems with programmable features that adapt to your unique requirements. Empower your energy solution with Lithium Power Smart BMS, designed for performance, safety, and innovation. Visit us today and discover the power of intelligent energy management.